everyone, as you probably saw the project on the Makerworld, Thingiverse or GrabCAD or somewhere else, I designed mounts for fans for the Acetone smoother, which I designed at my own. Make sure that you are not using it at home. I do not recommend to follow any steps I will do with this machine. FYI, I am working on the version which will include the heater and sensors to make it safety. Also, probably I will add some timer, and I am now wondering if should I use something more automated, like with internet connection. I could control it like the Raspberry Pi, or just do it on the some Arduino, smallest one or bigger one, or on the empty hat to make it all in one, or just use the prototype board to make it mechanically. I mean, without any processor. Got some screen for timer to take control how long I will use it and on which temperature. So the concept of doing adapters for those PC fans in our smoother is to isolate it from the top bracket of this machine and also control the airflow direction in our box. So as those are the regular PC fans, there is a 105 between center of the those holes, and at all it, as I remember, about 120. Let me check it. Yeah, exactly. So there is two variants of this thing. First one is taking air from the both side and pushing it down, and second one is for two fans which are separated. So each of them is taking from another way the air and pushing it down into your model. If that's not enough clear to make sure which you need to your setup, I named properly the boards in Bamboo Studio, so select the first, second and third one to use it in your setup properly. So it's now time to assemble that. You can use it this form as template, as I did, using 3 or 4 millimeter drill to do those holes. Alright, to connect it as simple as possible, you can use zippers, for example, or any type of rope, a wire, but be careful because acetone may make it more loose. Of course you can use some screws or something else. So at first I am taking my fan and bracket and using it, going through all of the items. The same there. So the same from the another side. There is, and there is. At least just cut them. I forgot one. Where is it? Oh, there is. Alright, so that's how this should look like, and it's pulling air from there and there, the in a single one option, and of course providing it on the top of your model while smoothing. Alright, so we got it. I will test it now on the, for example, this bracket which I designed to the connector of rear seats from the BMW M5 E34, which looks like that. There is a original one which is a bit smoother, because of course 3D printing has some issues on, for example, overhangs, and the structure is not ideal from technical materials, so I will smooth it. At the end it will be painted also, so it's not needed honestly, but it's needed there for the bracket from body of mechanism. I replicated also from the same BMW, as you can see, so this is going to be smoothed in this machine at first. Version for two fans looks a lot more solid.